Hello friends, welcome to Tosca Shops. This is clip 2. Here I'll guide you through download and install Tosca Commander into your local machine using 4 easy steps. The first step is to register with your organizational email ID using the first link, and after successful registration you will be able to log in to the Tricentis portal with the registered organization credentials. Third step is to request a license to the Tricentis using the provided link. Fourth step is to download the latest version or any other version of Tosca with the provided link. So now I'll be posting all the 4 links in the description bar, so you can go and check out on that. So I'm just clicking, this is the first link. So here I will be seeing the register button. So once you click on register button, the registration page will get open. So here you have to provide the first name, last name, the mandatory fields, the country, the time zone, the business email address, which is valid business email address, and you can confirm your business email here and provide a unique password and confirm your password and check this terms and condition policy and select the security code here so that a submit button gets enabled. Once you click submit, your registration process is successfully completed. So using the second link, you can log into the Tricentis portal with your registered organization email and your password. So third step is to get the license. Here we are going to request a cloud training license. So here you will be seeing the request cloud training license button. Once you click this button, Tricentis manager will get a notification and he will be providing you the local cloud license. So once you will be getting an email confirming that the request is approved. So once the request is approved, you can go and click on to the fourth link to download the Tosca Commander, which is a latest version or any other version based on your requirement here. So that's it. So thanks for watching. So if you find this video is useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye now.